Hello everyone, today I will show you how to watch Telegram videos on iPhone, and here's how it's done. If you haven't already downloaded and installed the Telegram app from the App Store, simply search for Telegram Messenger and tap Get to install it. Launch the Telegram app and sign in using your phone number. Follow the prompts to complete the setup if you're a new user. Navigate to the chat that contains the video you want to watch. You can search for the chat by using the search bar at the top or scroll through your list of conversations. If the video isn't already downloaded, you'll see a small download icon, a downward arrow, on the video thumbnail. Tap on it to download the video to your device. The download progress will be shown around the play button. Once the download is complete, simply tap on the video thumbnail to start playing it. The video will open up in the built-in Telegram media player. You can pause, rewind, and adjust the volume using the on-screen controls. If you want to keep the video for offline viewing outside Telegram, tap the share icon, the square with an arrow, at the bottom right corner of the video player. Then select Save to Files or Save Video to save it to your Photos app. And that is everything you need to know about how to watch Telegram videos on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.